Hi, I'm Dr. Park, and I want to share with you how I overcame years of neck pain or neck spasm. As a plastic surgeon, I spent most of my career sitting on a surgeon stool, bending down like this and doing my surgery. And that put a lot of strain on my neck. And for years, I suffered from a severe neck pains and neck spasm. Many mornings I will get up with a bad spasm and I can't turn or I can't turn. I mean, just really painful. And I still had to go to my work and perform my surgery. It involved a lot of painkillers. Sometimes I even have a lidocaine shot in my neck or even muscle relaxant. And it helps, but the pain comes back. I will still have a neck spasm. And I was really just kind of thinking like, is there any way I could get over this? So only thing I could do was, again, take a lot of painkillers and try to relax my neck as much as possible and just suffer through the pain for maybe 3, 4 days, something as long as 5 days, and it slowly got better. And I was talking to my colleague who was a sports medicine specialist. I asked him, is there any way I can make this neck spasm or neck pain get better? And he told me a lot of times people make a mistake thinking by relaxing your muscle, you'll get better. But he told me that was not the case. He told me I actually needed to strengthen my neck muscle. If you look at the neck muscle, it's one of the most powerful and complicated, yet very fast, that has very fast reflex muscle system we have to protect our head and to uphold our head. Example that he gave me was that people who work out on a regular basis, weight training, if they get into severe exercise or something, they don't ache that much because their muscles are used to that. But if somebody does not work out at all and all of a sudden, let's say does 50 push-ups, and he's gonna ache for at least a week. And only way to overcome the ache is actually to do more exercise and let your muscle get used to that load. So he gave me a simple exercise by having your hand behind your neck like this, and you're trying to pull your hand forward and then but you're trying to push your head backward like that, and then go like this 10 times, and then trying to push your forehead back and then trying to have your head go forward, push it like this 10 times. And from side to side, again, from your left hand, you're trying to pull it to the left, but having your head pushed to the right. Do that 10 times. Same thing with here, 10 times. And then trying to push your chin to the right, but trying to have your chin pushed to the left, like this. 10 times. And the other side, 10 times. At first, this is painful. Sometimes I'll do that even when I have a neck spasm, and oh my God, it hurts. But then after 3, 4 repetition, I could already feel that it's getting better. And ever since I've been doing that every day, every morning, I will do 10 reps in all different directions, and then lunchtime and dinner time. So I would do it 3 times a day. And then after that, I had no neck pain whatsoever. So I am free from it. But even now, I would do it not 3 times a day, but I would do it every time I do weight training, which is 3 times a week. And that really freed me from the neck pain. Also, in recent years, there has been a huge increase in neck cervical herniation patients. The reason is because of cell phone. Because I'm sure you've seen this a lot. You see people just bearing down into their cell phone like this. And this creates a really bad angle, and they're constantly like this for hours. And that is the worst thing you can do to your cervical vertebrae, because the weight of your head is a lot heavier at a certain angle. So you want to keep your cervical vertebrae at a healthy angle. And I always tell my kids and my family, nobody's interested, what you're watching in your cell phone. So, just don't worry about it, because they're trying to kind of hide what they're doing. So it's always good to have your cell phone up to your eye level. And if you're gonna watch a movie or something, just get a box and then just set it up so that you can actually watch movie like this at an angle that's not so stiff. And a lot of times I'll just tell them to have your, just prop your head up like this and just watch it. And this really takes off all the pressure off your neck. and this is the best way to do it. So keep your neck healthy or you might regret it later. Neck pain is so painful. They refer most annoying people as a pain in the neck. I hope this exercise will help you and live your life neck pain free.